kerja ni cikgu dah bagi almost a week ago. Okay, so kalau satu hari buat satu soalan, dah boleh hantar dah pagi tadi. Okay, because only have around 5 questions saja. Okay, for question, kita read dulu this question and then cikgu akan panggil lah siapa yang akan cuba jawab. Okay, yang nak try jawab, you will get participation marks. Untuk siapa yang jawab, cikgu akan note siapa yang try. Okay, siapa yang belum hantar tu, okay, yang lambat hantar tu and then they want to try to get extra marks, you can try lah. Okay, untuk answer that questions. Okay. Kita pergi to the questions dulu. Okay, question cakap bla bla bla, Salim ni bla bla 35 years old, kita tak perlu tahu pun dia punya umur. And then apa yang penting dalam ni adalah dia punya this is the apa tu? Maklumat yang beri 30 ml. Okay, darah Salim yang diambil adalah sebanyak 30 ml. And then below ni adalah dia punya semua ni adalah information lah. Okay. Salim dalam Salim's blood level ni. Okay, kalau kita tengok dekat sini, okay, you kena incorporate, okay, kena masukkan knowledge yang ada belajar dalam physics which is about prefix tu yang depan ni. Okay, depan ni bukan N ke ataupun U terbalik, this is mean micro. Okay, micro dia adalah 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 6. And then this is milli. Okay, minus 3. Okay, so dia bukan typo ke, cikgu terletak ke. Okay, kita pergi soalan satu. Siapa yang nak try buat soalan satu? Okay, siapa yang nak try? Ada tak? Hello? Okay, siapa yang dah buat tu? Siapa yang dah buat tu nak discuss dia answer? Tak ada orang ke ni? Okay, cikgu tak nak guna yang wheel of name tu because sama juga. No response juga. Okay, siapa yang dah hantar tu, siapa yang nak cikgu check on the spot, okay, you can ni lah. Okay, boleh bagi tahu you want to present your answer. Okay, siapa yang nak ni? Okay, out of dekat sini, cikgu ada berapa? 8 people saja yang dah hand in. Okay. Out of 8 people ni, siapa yang nak present their answer? Cikgu akan klik je dekat sini. Okay. Okay, Lori Yuan nak try. Okay, cikgu klik dekat ni. Okay, let us see. Okay. Okay, Lori Yuan ni, can you try explain your answer? How do you get your answer? Macam mana your jalan kerja?
Wait, it's a long time. I need to recall back. Oh, so first is 357.3 mmol. We need to get rid of the M.
Okay. So
And then
macam mana? How do you get rid of the M?
I use calculator.
Okay, macam mana? How you use calculator? Okay, what is the meaning of M tu?
I guess millimeter.
It's milli, not meter. Macam okay,
Milli.
remember when we use kilometer, millimeter, centimeter, apa lagi? Yang tu kan, okay? The same, yang sama adalah meter yang dekat belakang tu. Yang different adalah dekat depan tu, which is milli, centi or kilo. Okay, so tu adalah prefix. Okay, prefix. Okay, we can continue. Royuan.
And then 0.3573 moles is in 1 liter, but we need to find 30 ml. So we convert 30 ml to liter.
Okay.
So 0.03 liter equals to 0.0107190 mole.
Okay, how do you get 0.0, how do you get 0.03 liter is equal to 0.01719 mole? I mean, which formula did you use?
I just use math to
You didn't
convert.
use what?
Just use normal calculation to convert back.
Really? Bukankah we need to use formula? Tak apa. Okay, continue.
Then after that, we need to find the number of moles. So we use the formula number of particles over Na.
Number of particles over Na, okay, and then?
So we already find the number of moles, which is 0.010719.
Okay, and then?
And we already know the Avogadro constant. So we need to find the number of particles, which is ions.
Alright.
So we
Okay,
just use...
and then you miss this.
Eh?
Right. Should be 10 power of 4.23 lah kan sini.
Huh?
Oh, it's okay. Continue.
And then we already know the Avogadro constant and also the number of moles. So we use number of moles times Avogadro constant and we can find the number of particles.
Alright. Okay, finish?
Ah.
Alright. Okay, thank you, Laurian. Okay, first of all, okay, cikgu nak tunjuk this is about prefix tu. Okay, tera, giga, mega tu. Yang ni you need to hafal lah, okay. Cikgu pun dulu hafal because you need to know berapa, mostly akan guna ni lah micro, milli, okay. And then yang lain tu probably kena hafal. Probably ada formula ke lagu ke apa nak hafal. I'm not really sure. But you can, dia from 12, you tengok dia decrease by 3, okay. 4, 3 macam tu lah. Okay, need to know lah milli dia punya prefix tu. Okay, kena hafal lah. Paling senang hafal lah. Probably maybe ada cara lain. Okay, cikgu tak sure. Okay. And then, okay, kita pergi balik ke questions. Okay, in this question, dia ask for calculate the amount. Amount ni either in mass ataupun in number of moles. Okay, and then so this question pun not really clear. Okay, what the questions want, either nak moles ke nak mass. Okay, so actually this question dia nak mass. Okay, so then it's my bad jugalah. So sepatutnya cikgu letaklah calculate the mass of sodium ions found in Salim's blood. Okay, so first thing apa? Okay, you convert the mmol tu, millimole to mole. Okay, guna prefix tu, milli tu means times 10 power of -3. So you will get 0.3573. Okay. Next, you convert, okay, 30 ml, 30 ml to liter. Okay, you will get 0.03 ml. Okay. So, apa yang kita perlu buat kemudian lepas tu? Okay, what is this? Ni apa ni? Okay, 357.3 mmol tu, millimole per decimeter cube tu, apakah benda tersebut? What is 357.3 millimole per decimeter cube? What is it? Siapa boleh tahu? Is it molarity, parts per million, mole fraction, or volume by mass? Okay, this molarity. Okay, bukan molality. How do you know this molarity? Because it is number of mole over volume. Kalau molality, number of mole over mass. Okay, over gram ataupun per kilogram. Okay, so next. Okay, kalau tengok dekat sini. Okay, so apa yang kita perlu buat tadi, you already convert Okay, you already convert 357.3 tu kepada mole. Okay, so you akan dapat 0.3573 mole per decimeter cube. Okay, per decimeter cube. And then you will get the volume. Okay, volume is equal to 0.03 liter. Okay, ataupun 0.03 decimeter cube. Okay, liter and decimeter cube tu sama lah. Okay. Okay, next. So, kita tahu this is molarity. M besar. Okay, M besar. M sengit yang besar tu. Macam mana nak buat? Okay, M besar. So, the formula for molarity. Siapa ingat? What is the formula of molarity? Based on the units, you dah boleh tahu dah. Formula of the molarity. Siapa boleh beritahu? Hello? Okay, mole over volume. Okay, based on the unit. You tengok dekat sini. Mole. Okay, and then per volume. Decimeter ni. Negatif ni means per lah dia bahagi. Because dia dekat bawah. Sebab dia akan jadi mole divide by decimeter power of 3. So you bawa decimeter tu ke atas, dia akan jadi minus 3 lah. Sekejap, cikgu dah start recording ke? Semalam cikgu terlupa record. Alright. Okay. So the formula for molarity is equal to number of mole and divided by volume. Okay. So you already know dia punya molarity and then you already know dia punya volume. So you can find the N. Kita nak cari N dulu. So nak cari N ni macam mana? M darab dengan V lah. Okay. So you will get N is equal to M sengit tu times by V. Okay, so you dapat apa? 0.3573 times by 0.03. So akan dapatlah number of mole dulu. 0.3573 dah. Okay, you akan dapat 0.0107. Okay, jangan round up to first one decimal place dulu. Because this is baru first part. Bila dah dapat final answer, baru you can round it up to 2 decimal places. Dekat first ni biar je seberapa banyak seberapa banyak decimal place yang boleh. Okay. So macam ni probably 4 decimal place. So you dapat 0.0107 mole. Okay, next. The question asks for the amount. Okay, amount. So it must be ni lah. Amount tu should be in mass ataupun moles. Okay, mole lah dapat. Okay. Kalau dapat ni, dah dapat 0.017 ni, you already get 1 marks. Okay, and then untuk cari dia punya mass. Okay, apakah formula untuk cari mass? Which formula should we use? Okay, which formula should we use untuk find the number of mass? Mole over volume. Mole over volume is molarity. Okay, untuk cari mass. Kita dah ada number of mole. Okay, apa lagi yang kita dah ada? We have number of mole. We already find number of mole. And then we already have ni. What is this? So, which formula that we can use? Molar. Okay, we already have molar mass. So, apa formula dia? Is it mole over molar mass? Okay, moles, number of moles times by molar mass. Okay, apa yang Loryuan buat tadi tu? Okay. Okay, first part ni dah correct. Okay, Loryuan dah dapat cari the number of mole. Okay, this is correct. Okay, and then uh, probably use different formula lah. This is formula for number of particles. Okay, number of moles equal to number of particles over uh, Avogadro constant. Okay, so wrong formula lah use because Loriwan want to find number of particles, but the question want to ask the amount. Okay, amount tu probably either mass ataupun number of mole lah, but in this question it needs it need mass. So we use the formula N, okay, is equal to mass over molar mass. Okay, so dah ada mass, you dah ada molar mass and you dah ada N. So kita nak cari mass ni. So apa yang kita boleh buat adalah molar mass ni times by N. Darab dengan number of mole. So mass is equal to N darab dengan molar mass. Okay, and then we will get mass is equal to berapa N? 0.0107 times by 23. So you will get apa? Around 0.246, okay, ataupun 25 gram. So, mesti cikgu dah check semua kerja yang dah hantar tu. Okay, actually kalau semua tengok, you like to just key in je dia punya number terus without writing the formula. Okay, it is correct. Okay, betul apa yang buat tu. But it is not the best practice. Maksudnya bukan cara yang terbaik. Why? Because if you forget to put if you tak letak formula ni, apa formula yang kita guna ni, okay, what if kalau terlupa, okay, termiss, okay, apa yang perlu diletak ni. So that's why apa-apa pun you write dulu the formula, okay, and then baru you substitutekan the number in that formula. Okay, it is the best practice lah. Okay, in every subject lah yang involve this kind of involve formula. So you put dulu formula dulu awal-awal, letak dulu formula apa dia yang dia nak tu, baru you substitute in, baru key in number apa yang ada berdasarkan maklumat yang diberi, and then baru calculate. Okay, so apa? Bila you jawab exam, examiner can know lah whether you use the correct formula or not. Kalau you use correct formula and then your answer ni salah, okay, katalah for example, you use the formula kan, okay, M is equal to MV, N is equal to M times B, and then you write dia punya ni, katalah tersilap nombor 0.3573 and then you times by 30 instead of times by 0.03, you will get a different answer. Okay, this dah salah lah, but and then you continue for the later part, okay, you use yang the wrong answer ni, your answer yang last ni will be considered as step tu kira betul lah, even though your answer final ni it is wrong, sebab dia takkan ada double penalty. Okay, because you already dah tunjuk your step tu very detail, okay, from A to Z. So, tunjuk flow dia. Okay, kalau terus substitute number saja macam tu, okay, so it will make the examiner tu susah lah nak check whether your answer to use the correct method or not. Okay, tu je. So it is best practice to write dulu apa dia punya formula yang akan digunakan. Okay, next kita pergi question 2. Okay, tak habis ni question 1 ni. Is the amount of sodium ions in Salim ni consider healthy? Healthy ke unhealthy? Hello? Ada orang? So tidur lagi ke? Why no?
Yes.
Okay, why it is unhealthy?
Sebab dia lebih.
Okay, lebih dari apa? Kalau ditanya okay, is it considered healthy and give your reason. Okay, how do you know it is double? Alan, how do you know it is like double? Cause it is listed lah. Kalau and then kalau you write, tulis lah. Uh, no, it is unhealthy. Okay, because from the table, the amount of sodium ion in Salim ni, okay, is way higher than healthy blood level. Okay, so what if the question asks calculate the maximum amount of sodium ions, okay, that can be found in a healthy human, healthy blood level. So, kita nak guna yang concentration yang mana? Then how do you calculate it? Okay, I repeat balik the questions. Yes, the healthy one lah. Okay. Calculate the maximum amount, okay, in mass, in gram of sodium ions, okay, that can be found in a healthy human blood level. So, which concentration that kita kena guna? Okay, dekat sini kalau tengok sini, healthy blood level ni. So, which concentration yang kita perlu guna? The right one still, which one? State the number. Okay, 145. Okay, kenapa 145? Because the maximum. Okay, the question asks for maximum. If kalau dia cakap find the minimum amount, you use 135 lah. Okay, because yang ni bermaksud dia apa? Ada sempang ni bermaksud in a range, dalam satu julat, dalam satu range. Okay, contohnya macam mana nak cakap range? Range tu dia tak tetap lah. Maksud dia boleh ada satu julat yang dikata sihat. Contohnya macam suhu manusia. Okay, suhu manusia yang sihat adalah dalam satu julat, dalam satu range. Okay, suhu manusia okay, selalu semua dah pergi ni kan, semua dah pergi scan temperature je. What is normal human temperature? Is it really 37? So if you go to kedai and then you scan 36.9, so it's not considered normal. Oh, 40. 40 tu you already demam panas. Okay, dah kena probably dah kena COVID, tak boleh masuk kedai. Okay, the range human, okay, dia ada range. Okay, dia taklah tetap. Okay, depends on apa? Suhu lah. Okay, so dia punya actually not really sure lah secara exact dia. Exact dia adalah 36.5 and 37.5. Above 37.5 tu consider dah demam lah, 37.6, okay. So 37.5 tu dikira healthy, tapi still your body tu dikira agak panas lah. Because our range ni kalau ni dalam ni je, okay, dalam 36.8 ke 36.4. Okay, but okay, bila you pergi kedai kan, semua scan dekat dahi tu, okay, it is not really tepat lah. Okay, because there's a phase yang your body radiates. Paling tepat adalah kalau you ambil termometer yang apa, macam termometer merkuri tu kan. Okay, sama ada letak dekat celah pipi. Okay, ataupun celah ketiak. Okay, ataupun masuk dalam your celah bonggong. Okay, situ yang paling tepat. Okay, between your butt cheeks so. Okay, so kalau yang dekat, so tak hygienic lah kalau nak bagi betul-betul tepat. But range yang dekat scanner tu taklah lari banyak. Less than 1% pun, okay. So it's already tepat juga. Because remember, in every measurement instrument, okay, macam pembaris, penimbang berat badan, okay, apa lagi, pengukur ke apa, they have, kita panggil sebagai error, okay. Instrument error. Okay, ada instrument error. Dia ada berapa percentage yang dia boleh tolerate. Alright. Okay, next. Kita pergi ke question tu. Suggest what Salim should change in his lifestyle to reduce the level of sodium ions in his blood. exercise really? Cikgu tak exercise pun. My my sodium level is not high. Okay, eat less salty food. Kurangkan makan garam, kicap. Okay, sodium tu. Okay, or less, kurangkan makan sodium metal. Is it correct? Can we eat sodium? Okay, sodium ni lah. Sodium, makanan yang ni sodium macam apa? MSG, monosodium glutamate. Okay. And then selalu orang cakap, oh makan makanan MSG ni buat saya sakit kepala. It is not scientifically proven lah. Okay. Betul, ada je orang yang allergic dengan MSG, but tak ada scientific journal lagi yang ada orang buat. Okay. Probably dah ada kot, you can research lah. Yang correlates MSG dengan botak, MSG dengan sakit kepala. Okay, MSG ni just glutamate. Glutamate tu our 6 punya umami flavor lah. Okay, glutamate tu dia punya chemical. Okay, umami flavor. Okay, macam you can get umami flavor glutamate tu from apa? Paling natural, from tomato. Okay, tomato. Ikan bilis yang dah kering tu. Okay. Alright, next kita continue. Okay, number 3. Based on the result of Salim blood test, what disease or syndrome that Salim suffer from? Okay, dalam ni cikgu dah bagilah juga macam dia kata sini ada simptom dia. Okay, dia ada severe headache, okay, sakit kepala yang teruk and swollen ankles. Dia punya buku lali tu bengkak. So, and then you can see from dia punya blood test pun, okay, the amount is abnormal, which is kalau kita tengok double tingginya, okay, at least double from healthy blood level. So what happened? Apakah penyakit yang Salim ni mungkin hidapi? Ada siapa tak yang dah try jawab? Or you want to try give your answer? Apa penyakit yang Salim ni ada? It's common. Common dalam rakyat Malaysia. Hem is not a penyakit. Okay, yang selalu ada dalam rakyat Malaysia. Banyak rakyat Malaysia ada. Apa penyakit dia? Okay, kidney disease. Okay, apa lagi probably mungkin dia ada. Because of the eating salt tu yang banyak tu, akan ada penyakit apa? Diabetes. Diabetes when you eat too much sugar. Darah tinggi. Okay, darah tinggi. Tekanan darah tinggi. So what happen adalah bila tekanan darah tinggi, your jantung tu kena bergerak lagi laju lah. So tak bagus lah untuk kesihatan kepala. Okay, apa benda semua tu. Alright, next. Number 4. Calculate Salim's creatinine level in parts per million. Okay, soalan ni semua straightforward. You need to find, taklah straightforward means buat satu calculation and you can get the answer. Straightforward, I mean, number 1, number 4 dengan 5 ni, the first part tu semua sama. You need to find the number of mole dulu. Okay, number 4 ni probably not. Taklah kot. Okay, kita try dulu. Okay, siapa nak try buat number 4? Calculate Salim creatinine level. Okay, dia dah bagi dalam creatinine level in molarity. And then, you need to convert it into parts per million. So, apakah formula untuk parts per million? Siapa ingat? What is the formula for parts per million? Ada tak yang cuba cepat? Okay, what is the formula of parts per million?
Amount of solute per total amount darab 100 kuasa 6.
Is it 100 kuasa 6?
10 kuasa 6.
Okay, so based on this question, macam mana kita nak buat for question 4 ni? Okay, this is discussion. Cikgu seorang je yang cakap. Cikgu discuss seorang-seorang lah. Okay, you need to, kita kena discuss. You give your give your input, okay, and then I'll give my output. Okay, I'll give my ni lah. Okay, jawapan ataupun my feedback. Okay, number 4. Okay, Naura tadi dah beritahu the formula for PPM adalah apa? The formula for PPM, okay, number 4 dekat sini. Sekejap. Okay, number 4. The formula for PPM is equal to amount of solute over dengan divide by total amount of solution. Okay, and then kita darab dengan berapa? Darab dengan 10 power of 6. Alamak. Kita darab dengan 10 power of 6. Okay, so since they use amount of solute and total amount of solution, so they must be unit tu kena sama. Atas dan bawah unit tu kena sama. If you use mole, okay, atas ni kalau guna mole, bawah ni pun kena guna mole. If you use atas ni number of particles, bawah ni kena number of particles. Kalau you use mass, okay, bawah ni pun kena mass. Kalau use volume, okay, you need to use volume. So from this, okay, dia dah bagi assumption dekat sini. 1 milliliter of blood is equal to 1 gram. Okay, approximately lah. Okay, approximately. Taklah, since dia ni darah tinggi, darah dia akan likat. So, it will be more than 1 gram lah dia punya ni. Probably 1 ml of blood is equal to 1.001 ke gram ataupun 1.1 gram ke. So, be slightly different. Tapi kita assume approximately sama je dah. So, kita nak guna yang mana? We want to use mass, volume, or number of mole, ataupun nak guna number of particles. Okay, which one yang nak guna? Hello, ada tak? So, which one nak guna?
Kejap cikgu tanya apa tadi? Dia
Okay,
lag sikit tadi.
kita nak guna apa? Kita nak guna nak calculate PPM tu kan? Nak guna volume, nak guna mass, nak guna number of moles ataupun nak guna number of particles.
Volume.
Why? No, cikgu tak cakap yes or no lagi. Betul atau salah lagi. Cikgu kena cakap why. Sebab
Total amount ke?
Apa
Total
dia?
amount of solution tu.
apa dia?
Yang mana?
Okay, number 4 tu. Okay, sebab tadi cikgu cakap for PPM, okay, amount of solute ni dengan total amount of solution ni, dua-dua ni kena have the same unit. Okay, kalau mass, amount of solute in mass, total amount of solution must be in mass juga. Kalau gram dengan gram. Kalau volume, ml dengan ml. Kalau number of mole, atas kena number of mole, bawah kena number of mole juga. Kalau number of particles, atas number of particles, bawah pun kena number of particles. So, which unit yang kita nak guna? Which dimension yang kita nak guna? Is it volume,
Mass.
number of moles, mass ataupun particles? Okay, why mass? Okay, why mass? Okay, in my class, I like to ask why. Okay, why? Because kenapa why? Sebab you will make thinking process lah. Ada fikir. You need to think before you answer questions. Okay, sebab tu kena why. Sebab tu cikgu suruh tanya why and why and why. Okay, mana? Siapa yang nak try ke tak? Baru ke question 4 ni. Kita ada lagi 25 minutes. Okay, number 4. Yang lain mana? Cikgu ada 19 people kat sini. Okay, hello, ada ke tak ni? Okay, this is tutorial. Okay, you should contribute.
Ada cikgu.
Bukan cikgu je yang cakap. So, Kita nak guna apa? Yang dah hantar tu. Yang dah buat tu. Okay, you can check balik your submission tu. Okay. So, nak guna apa? You need nak guna number of moles, nak guna mass, nak guna volume ke, ataupun nak guna number of particles. Okay, macam mana? You already know dia punya formula. ppm is equal to amount of solute is equal to total amount over total amount of solution time by 10 power of 6. Okay, so apa yang dah ada based on this? Okay, list balik. Okay, list balik apa yang ada. Okay, tak ke cikgu yang kena buat question. Cikgu bukan cikgu yang jawab exam. Okay. So, apa yang dia dah bagi? Volume of blood. Okay, which is 30 ml. And then, you already know dia punya concentration of creatinine tu. Creatinine ni. Okay, which is molarity dia. Sekejap. Molarity for creatinine which is 35 to 53.7. Okay. And then dia cakap dekat situ apa? It is dalam micro. Okay, 253.7 micro. Micro adalah 10 power of minus 6. Okay, minus 6 mole per decimeter cube. So, okay. And then apa lagi maklumat yang you have? RMM. Okay, RMM untuk creatinine. So, based on this, okay, nak guna apa? Nak guna number of mole, nak guna mass, nak guna volume, or nak guna number of particles. Macam mana? Say, to cari amount of solute ni, or total amount of solution. Okay, this is satu lagi information yang dia bagi. 1 ml of blood is approximately 1 gram. Okay, so macam mana?
Kita kena ubah semua tu jadi satu tu dulu. Jadi satu simbol yang sama dulu kan?
Okay, so nak guna yang mana? Nak tukar macam mana? Okay, so nak tukar yang mana? Apa yang kita boleh ubah, apa yang kita tak boleh ubah? Kalau kita tengok kat sini. Can you find number of moles of blood?
RAM per minta.
Okay. Tak perlu just use information yang cikgu bagi dalam question saja. Tak perlu cari information yang luar. Can you find the number of mole of blood? Okay, based on information yang dekat sini.
Tak?
Yang dekat sini. Okay, so what can we do with blood tu? So,
Kita boleh ubah jadi gram.
okay, blood boleh ubah jadi gram. Okay, and then can you find number of moles of creatinine?
Boleh.
Macam mana? How to find the number of mole of creatinine? Macam mana? Okay, apa information yang dia dah beri? Okay, dia dah beri apa? Untuk warna merah untuk blood. Okay, warna kuning untuk creatinine. Okay, so kita tengok. Information yang diberi untuk creatinine, dia dah bagi apa? Molarity. Okay, molarity. Sorry, kalau merah pula. Okay, dia dah bagi molarity. And then dia dah bagi molar mass. So, can you find the number of moles of creatinine? Okay, and then macam mana nak cari the number of moles of creatinine? Based on information yang cikgu dah bagi. Macam mana? Okay, apakah formula molarity? What is the formula for molarity?
Volume.
Apa dia?
Molar per volume.
Sorry, cikgu tak apa dengar.
Molar per volume.
So, can you find number of mole? From molarity. Boleh ke tak? You already get tu, dah ada molarity. And then said the formula for molarity is number of mole over volume. So can you find the number of mole of creatinine? Okay, guna N is equal to molarity times by volume. Okay, guna N molarity times by volume. Okay. Rumah bawah. Okay, so kita guna N. Okay, because formula for molarity, cikgu dah tulis dah tadi kat atas ni. Molarity is equal to N over volume. So, kita tulis balik formula dia supaya tak confuse. Okay. N over volume. Okay, so you want to find the number of mole. So N is equal to molarity times by volume. So you will get lah dia punya ni. Okay, volume ni convert lah in liter. Okay, so you darab 253.7 times 10 power of minus 6. Okay, times by 0.03. Dapatlah dia punya number of mole. Okay, 253.7. You get 7.61 times 10 power of minus 6. Mole. So, after that, kita nak buat apa? You already get the number of mole of creatinine. So, nak buat apa pula? To use dekat ppm ni. Formula ppm ni. Macam mana? Nampak ni just one way discussion je nampaknya. Cikgu je yang cakap seorang-seorang.
Cikgu boleh ulang balik ke soalan tadi? Yang
Okay,
cikgu tanya soalan.
Dah dapat number of mole. Okay. So, apa yang kita perlu buat? To find the ppm. You already get the number of mole. Can you convert mole to volume? Can you convert mole to volume?
Boleh.
Use formula apa?
Number of mole darab molar volume dapat volume of gas.
But tu for volume of gas. Ni adakah kita guna gas? Is it gas? Concentration?
Number of volume darab molar mass dapat mass. Dalam tu dia kata mass 1G sama dengan 1 ml.
Okay, so kita nak cari apa? Mass ke? Nak cari volume ke? Or you nak cari number of mole of blood? Can you find number of mole from blood from this information yang cikgu dah bagi?
Macam tak je.
Okay, so lepas kita dapat number of mole for creatinine, okay, so nak cari apa?
Mass.
Macam mana nak cari mass?
Number of mole darab molar mass.
Okay, number of mole dalam molar mass. Kenapa nak cari mass? Okay, why you want to find mass? Kenapa tak cari mole? Kenapa tak cari, you already got mole. Kenapa tak cari volume? Kenapa tak cari number of particles?
Sebab kita nak bagi unit atas dengan bawah dia sama.
Unit yang mana tu?
30 ml of blood.
Okay, kita akan tengok. Okay, dah orang cakap kita guna N, mass is equal to N times by molar mass. Okay, so apa substitute dia? Formula N, number of mole. Okay, 7.61 ni. Okay, darab dengan 113.12 and then you will get 8.6. Okay, 8.61 times 10 power of 4 minus 4. Minus 4. Mana dia? Gram. Okay, dapat gram. So, macam mana nak continue? You already get number of mass untuk creatinine. Mass of creatinine. So, nak cari ppm macam mana?
Amount of solute dia yang 861/10 kuasa negatif 4
Okay. Per
per
berapa?
30 G blood.
Kenapa?
Darab 10/6.
Okay, dah 10.6. So, ppm. Okay, guna balik formula ppm tu. ppm is equal to amount of solute. Dah dapat dah dia punya value ni. Okay, pastikan sama dia punya unit. Okay, and then divide by 30 gram. Okay, times by 10/6. And you will get lah dia punya answer. Berapa? 8.61 bagi dengan 30 darab dengan we'll get 28.7 ppm. Okay. Jawapan you boleh dapat juga either 28.6 kalau tak round up yang 7.61 ni you get 7.611. Okay. Alright, next continue. Number 5. Calculate the percentage by mass over volume of urea found in Salim blood sample. So, macam mana pula ni? Mass by volume.
Mula-mula kena cari mass. Kita guna formula mass sama dengan mol darab molar mass. Untuk
So, macam mana nak cari number of mole of urea?
dia dah bagi kita just convert bagi tak ada tak ada millimol.
Dia dah bagi ke? So, tulis balik, okay, tanda balik formula apa maklumat yang diberi, okay. In this ni dia dah bagi. Okay, what is ni? 12.9 millimole ni apa dia? Okay, what is 12.9 millimole ni? Apa signifikan dia? Millimole per decimeter cube. What is it? Adakah number of mole?
Okay.
Okay,
Kan
habis tu apa dia?
volume.
Volume.
Yes, ni tak pasti.
Apa dia tu? Millimole per decimeter cube. Mole per decimeter cube. What can you deduce from that unit? Okay, apakah maksud mole per decimeter cube? Dan tadi kira semua creatinine tu guna micromole juga. Kira sodium tu guna per mole juga. Apa dia tu? We already did question 1 and question 4. So you can boleh buat question 5 terus. Okay, what is it? Apakah ia? 12.9 tu. Mana number 5?
Mol.
Okay, mole apa?
Number of mole of ion.
What is it? Apakah dia? Number of mole mesti unit dia kena mole saja, tak boleh ada decimeter cube. So, apakah unit, apakah benda tersebut? Anyone other than Naura? Ingatkan ni kelas 101 dengan Naura saja. Mana yang lain?
Cikgu tu mol per liter.
Okay, so decimeter cube tu liter ke ataupun benda lain? Mole decimeter cube. Mole per decimeter cube. So apakah ia? Kita buat pada awal tadi ni semua. This apa? Molarity, concentration. Okay, bukan mole. Mole, number of mole lah. Okay, molarity tu concentration. Molarity, number of mole over volume. Kalau molality, number of mole over mass of solute. Okay, mole per kilogram ke mole per gram ke. Okay. Alright, continue for question 5. Okay, dia suruh cari percentage by mass of and volume. Okay, so you already know the molarity for urea, which is 12.9 times 10 power of negative 3 mole per decimeter cube. And then volume. Volume darah lah. So 30 ml. Kita convert kepada 0.03 decimeter cube. So, kita nak cari apa? Tulis dulu apakah formula untuk mass by volume. Percentage by mass by volume. So formula for percentage by mass over volume. Okay. Dia punya simbol. Sekejap. Okay. Mass W per V. Okay. Is equal to mass over volume. Mass of solute. Divide by volume of solution. Dengan 100%. Okay, so kita kena cari apa pula lepas ni?
Cari mass.
Okay, macam mana nak cari mass?
Kita dah ada formula untuk molarity.
Okay.
Kemudian kita gunakan formula tu untuk dapatkan mass dia.
Okay, macam mana? Sini.
Formula molarity M is equal to mole over liter. Molarity darab liter, kita akan dapat mole.
M is equal to number of mole over volume. Okay, so kita nak cari apa dekat sini dulu. Okay, buat part by part. Jangan terus substitute formula dalam N ni. Sebab cikgu nampak ramai yang tulis M sama dengan N over V and then you write N tu and then you continue to letak mass over molar mass ke apa benda tu substitute. Okay. Boleh je buat. Dia lagi cepat but dia tak nampak the flow tu. Okay, tak nampak flow tu secara okay. So, continue je tulis N. Okay, is equal to M times by V. Okay, sama je. Soalan dia sama je. Step dia sama je macam question yang lain-lain ni. 1 and 4 ni. Tapi dia punya second step tu yang akan berbeza. Okay, the first one ni kita nak cari mass. Okay, the question 4 ni kita nak cari ppm. So, dia ada extra step. Okay, dah cari mass, you cari ppm. Untuk question 5 ni, okay, sama juga. First step cari number of mole. Okay, and then you cari mass. And then find the W per V ni. Which is percentage by mass volume. Okay, N sama dengan M darab dengan V. So dapatlah equal to berapa? 0.03 times by 12.9. Balik. Sebenarnya boleh je terbalik but nanti tak nampak yang mana satu molarity, mana satu adalah apa tu? Volume. 3 and then you will get number of mole there which is 12.9 10 ranked 3 darab 0.03. You get 3.87. Okay, times 10 power of minus 4. Daripada mole. Okay, after that dah dapat mole. Dah dapat mole, nak cari apa?
Cari mass.
Okay, guna formula apa?
Number of mole darab molar mass.
Okay, number of mole darab mole mass. So, tapi ingat, tulis dulu formula asal dia apa? Formula asal dia adalah N, okay, is equal to mass over molar mass. Okay, and then you can dapatlah mass is equal to N times by molar mass. Okay, darab lah 3.87 ni. Okay, darab dengan creatinine punya, urea punya RMM which is 60.06. Okay, and then you get lah answer dia. 60.06. You get 0.0232 gram. Okay, so dah dapat yang ni, mass of urea. Okay, nak cari kemudian apa kita boleh buat?
Kita boleh terus guna mass of solute over volume of solution darab 100% sebab kita dah tahu volume dia 30 ml.
Alright, okay. Tak dekat sini. Okay, so kita akan dapat the mass of solute, which is our mass dia 0.0232, okay, gram, divide by 30, no, kita darab dengan volume in decimeter cube. Okay, decimeter cube ke, or we can use dalam ml saja.
Formula dia bukan dalam ml saja.
Okay, kita tengok balik jap. Just mana dia? Jap. Alright, kalau tengok dekat sini formula dia, it must be in ml, gram and over ml. Okay, percentage by mass and volume ni must be in gram and ml. So tukarkan kepada, tak perlu tukar kepada decimeter cube, just 30 ml. Okay, and then times by 100%. Okay, which is akan dapat bahagi dengan 30 darab dengan 100, you will get 0.077%. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, untuk part 5. Okay, so di 1049, okay, probably tak sempat kita nak discuss yang pirate ship tu. Okay, pirate ship tu just straightforward juga. Taklah straightforward, ada yang boleh shortcut. Okay, ada soalan yang boleh shortcut. Okay, you can tu. Okay, siapa yang boleh hantar pirate ship tu, you can hantar before hari Ahad, before kelas kita hari Ahad, hari Selasa. Okay, kalau lambat, ya, yang markah tu tak boleh dapat maximum marks lah. Okay, which is 100%. Okay, jadi siapa yang hantar after this, okay, siapa yang lain daripada jawapan yang cikgu tunjuk ni, you can do pembetulan. Okay, siapa yang dah hantar tu just buat balik satu Google Docs, write as correction. Okay, yang mana yang salah tu. Okay, so di 10:50, okay, cikgu endkan recording. Okay, jadi cikgu uploadkan dia punya